Tired of Pinterest using your data from other sites to target you? Here is how to turn off partner info in under a minute. Follow these simple steps in your Pinterest settings to disable partner data and regain control of your ad experience. So here is the deal. Pinterest works with a bunch of other companies and websites to learn what you are into. It uses that information to show you ads it thinks you will click on. Some people are totally fine with that. But if you would rather Pinterest just based its ads on what you do on Pinterest itself, you can shut that off in just a few clicks, and I am going to walk you through it right now. First thing, open up Pinterest. It does not matter if you are on your phone, a tablet, or your computer. The steps are the same. So go ahead and pull it up and log in if you need to. Now, look up in the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture. Right next to it, there is a tiny little arrow pointing down. Click on that arrow. This opens up a menu with a bunch of options for your account. From that menu, you want to click on the one that says Settings, just plain old Settings. That is going to take you to the main control panel for your whole Pinterest experience. Once you are in Settings, look down the list on the left side. Or if you're on mobile, you might have to scroll a bit. Find the option that says Privacy and Data. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the stuff lives that controls how your information is handled. Now, here is the part where you need to do a little bit of scrolling. Just roll down through that page until you see a section called Ads Personalization. It is usually about halfway down. Keep scrolling until you find it. All right, within that Ads Personalization section, there is a specific setting you are looking for. It will say Use of Partner Info. This is the big one. This is the setting that tells Pinterest it is allowed to take all that data it got from third-party websites and use it to shape the ads you see. You want to turn this off. So go ahead and click the toggle switch to turn off Use of Partner Info. When you do that, a small pop-up or a new option might appear asking you to confirm. That is totally normal. And here is the really important part. You have to save your change. So look for the button that says Save. It might be blue, it might be at the bottom of the screen. Click Save. If you do not click that button, the change will not stick, and you will have to do it all over again. Trust me, I have made that mistake before. Once you click Save, you are all set. From that moment on, Pinterest will no longer use information from its partner sites to personalize the ads it shows you. Your ads will still show up, but they will be based only on your activity within Pinterest itself. So you have now taken back a big chunk of control over your ad experience. And that is really all there is to it. It is a quick change that makes a real difference in how much of your data gets used out in the wild. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might also want a little more privacy in their feed. Thanks for hanging out, and I will catch you in the next one.